PHIO Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have been in the market for 5 years. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and 40,000 videos have been made like no one else. And with all that to say that with Phio Pharmaceuticals, first it began with the bearish side for me, which I cut out. Then I had like a long idea, which kind of tickled the high, which at that point, like it's a plus 0R, right? That's kind of the outcome of that. And with all that to say that currently, I'm gonna get rid of it. And the only thing that I'll care about is if the price breaks with a full candle close for a second time above 217. Then I will count this as potentially something bullish. If we reach, now it depends what we break first, right? If we break the top, yeah, sure, 216. But if we break the lows at like 167, 168 first, then it's a whole different place. So yeah, I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.